Windows cannot be installed to this disk. This computer's hardware may not support booting this disk. Ensure that the disk's controller is enabled in the computer's BIOS menu. This error message usually indicates a conflict between your Dell laptop's BIOS settings and the format of the disk you're trying to install Windows on. Here's how to troubleshoot it. Restart your Dell laptop and enter the BIOS setup utility. The key to press will be displayed on the startup screen, usually Dell F2, F10 or F12. Look for the Boot or SATA Operation section in BIOS. You might need to navigate through different menus depending on your specific BIOS version. Another key setting to check is the boot mode. Follow the on-screen instructions. If your laptop uses UEFI firmware, the boot mode should be set to UEFI. If it uses a traditional BIOS, the boot mode should be set to Legacy BIOS. Save your changes and exit the BIOS settings. Your Dell laptop will restart with the new BIOS settings.